Welcome. In this video, we will discuss the systems needed to launch OCDE Project GLAD successfully in your agency. Thank you for taking a proactive approach. By watching this video to systematically plan for successful implementation of OCDE Project GLAD at your agency, you have taken the first steps toward making a change. Successful outcomes are not a random occurrence. It is a result of intentional and purposeful planning, and you have taken the first step toward creating a productive and thriving environment for the children you serve. Knowing the why will help bring clarity to your purpose and your focus. The first step is to be clear on what your purpose is for your program. Knowing what your program's goal is will not only help to maintain focus as you implement the steps necessary to move forward, but it is also critical in communicating the goals to others whose support you need in order to reach those goals. Knowing your why and being able to clearly articulate that message not only allows everyone to move in the same direction, it also motivates others and keeps the goals at the forefront, thereby increasing the probability of meeting your target. So once you know what your why is and you can articulate that to others, it's important to create a vision for your program. How will you meet your goals? Who needs to be involved? What skills are needed? What will your support for implementation look like? These are all things that take part in the development of your vision that you should give some thought to. Do you envision a cadre of trainers that will support your program in a self-sustaining manner at your site? Or perhaps be the leadership in implementing GLAD strategies throughout your district? Take the time to think of your dream and then craft that vision. Having a vision solidifies the focus, but we must also recognize that the difference between a dream and a plan is the actionable steps toward a goal. After the vision is identified, it is crucial to create a plan with both long and short-term goals. For example, a long-term goal may be to have your program produce students that are biliterate in more than one language. That goal is a long-term goal because it is an outcome that will be attained over time. The short-term goals that you identify are steps that will help support the development to progress toward the long-term goal. In this example, a short-term goal might be to train staff with GLAD strategies, and another goal might be to develop trainers at the site so that the program design is self-sustaining and continuously supports teachers in teaching students effectively. Another consideration is to plan how you will collaborate with your leadership on in-depth understanding of the OCDE Project GLAD model. It is important to move together toward common understanding. Everyone on your leadership team has an important role to play, but it is critical that everyone know how the model works in order to be on the same page. Discuss the components of the model, observe together, determine the roles needed and who will fulfill those roles. By collaborating together, the tendency to work synchronously is magnified. This strengthens the model implementation and understanding so that maintenance of the model to fidelity is achieved and all will move in the same direction. Which leads us to another systematic consideration. Thinking about how professional learning cycles will occur throughout the project. Program needs change. Staff members come and go. As we all know, change is a natural and inevitable condition. But having a plan to address those needs and changes helps us to maintain the relevancy of your program's success as it grows and evolves. Allowing and planning for reflection of practice, revisiting approaches, and continuously dialoguing professionally are needed elements to embed into your program's plan. But please know that you are not alone. Connectedness is the last system consideration that we will discuss. Becoming involved with Project GLAD means being a part of a community of learners and having that opportunity to connect with others who may be going through similar experiences. The OCDE Project GLAD team strives to facilitate the opportunities to connect with others to learn, share ideas, obtain inspiration, and grow in professional expertise. We invite you to visit our website at ntcprojectglad.com and jump in. Together, we can all work toward providing wonderful learning experiences, not only for dual language learning students, but for all students. Thank you for viewing.